Hey guys, it's Molly. Today I wanted to film a tutorial for hooded eyes, hooded brown eyes, and anybody who likes makeup. And today I'm going to feature the Blue Blood palette. Blue can be kind of a tricky color to use with brown eyes, so hopefully we'll make it easy for you today. I'm going to start out today with this green shade right here. It's called Minty. For this I'm going to use this little tiny ELF brush. I'm going to coat it. I'm going to go right into the inner corner. Next I'm going to go into this blue shade right here. It's called I'm Cold. I'm going to take the fluffy side of this little Eco Tools brush and dip into that. I'm going to put that on the center. Now I'm going to go in with that same brush that I used for I'm Cold, and I'm going to dip it into this color called Deceased. It's like a metallic color, metallic blue color. Oops, hello. For this I'm going to go out on the outer third, and I am going to go up onto that hood. Now I'm going to dip into this color called Undertaker, right here. And I'm going to drag this up onto our hood and kind of outline the top over here. It's a little messy, but we'll clean it up in just a second. So I'm going to go with my Sigma E40 brush and blend that top part just a little bit. Now I'm going to go into this shimmery green shade called Entitled right here. And for this I'm going to go with my finger. I know my hands look so large. Does anybody remember on Pee Wee Herman when he gives him that truck and he's like, large, send me. Whenever I say the word large, it reminds me of that. So I'm just putting this in the center of my mobile lid. On top of the green minty shade in the inner corner that we did, I want to go in with Crystal Flesh. It's this color right here. I'm going to take the same color that I did with Minty. I'm just barely going to tap it. I kind of debated using a different palette for some of the shimmery parts, but I really wanted to just use one palette. Now I'm going to go back in with my E40 Sigma brush and blend the top again to make them match up. Because I look a little... I do look a little crazy. Sometimes crazy is good. Now let's do the outer corner. I'm going to go back into Undertaker, and I'm going to mix Undertaker and Cremated together. Just a little boop, 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 boop. And I'm going to go out here. First I'm going to kind of start from looking down, and then I'm going to go into my regular vision, which is like straight on hood. Straight on. With the hood out. And I'm just going to make sure that the blue comes up onto the hood so that the hood isn't coming forward. So what I want to do, first, let's do our little highlight here. I don't really even think we need one because it's already pretty white and frosty, as Jamie French would say. I'm just going to add a tiny bit. This is a very cool toned look. So that's our frost. Just make sure it blends in a little bit so we're not tiger striping. Now I want to add some more green to the bottom. Fine, we'll add some blue too. So I'm gonna go back in. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use Ocean Ice. It's a really sparkly blue color. I'm just gonna barely coat the one side of a flat brush and put it on the outside of down here. I'm trying not to make that ugly face that I make sometimes. Oh, but I want to. Don't you do it. Don't do it. Just blending that out a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with a totally new brush. It's this little nubby end of an Eco Tools brush. Let's go into Flourishing. This color I've noticed is a little bit chalky, but I'm not too mad at it. I'm gonna totally load both sides of my little tiny nubbin brush, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle. I'm trying so hard not to make that face that I make sometimes when I'm doing under eye makeup. Then I'm gonna go in with that teeny little elf brush back into Minty. My dogs are gonna bark at the mailman, as they do. And I'm gonna just fill the inner corner up with that. It's my friend Jen. Oh my gosh, sorry, that was my friend Jen. I haven't seen her in forever because we're all in quarantine. Will you still love me? Yes. Aww. I know that some people are wondering, why don't you put eyeliner on your under eye and why don't you wear false lashes? If you see any of my other videos, I'm a nurse. I don't like false lashes. I hate false lashes. They drive me nuts. I suppose I could, but I'm not going to. And I don't wear eyeliner underneath because for me, I have really small kind of beady eyes, and whenever I line underneath, it kind of pushes them in. So I kind of like to leave it a little blendy and ethereal. I just do mascara on the under eye. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my lashes, and then we'll come back to see the final look. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's the final look. I think it turned out really pretty. I love this palette. I love using blue eyeshadow with brown eyes. It's my second favorite color to use. I'll let you guess what the first favorite color is. I just did my regular winged liner, and then I followed it up with this Essence Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara. I do like 3 coats of it. It's like $5 on Amazon. It's super easy, but I really love the green mixed in with the blue. I do like to blend out these colors a little bit more because they don't look as good being super blocky. This is my eyes straight up. This is my eyes just regular and relaxed. I think it turned out really pretty. If you want to see more looks that I can do with hooded eyes, hooded brown eyes, or anyone who just loves makeup, subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.